Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how we can create a simple shadow in Inkscape, and before I do that I want to explain some things. I created this ball in GIMP and then I saved it as a PNG file type, and this file type can handle transparency, and this is necessary because when you import a raster based image here in Inkscape, for example, it can be a digital photograph or something you created in software like GIMP, that whole image becomes an object. Now if I exported this ball in a file type like JPEG, for example, which cannot handle transparency, and I have a background, let me just show you here that I don't have any background. Let's make this full opacity and move it behind, and you see I don't have any background to this ball because this is transparent, and this is necessary for this exercise because I want to put the shadow behind the ball, not over it, and I want it to be visible, so I need to have transparency. So like I said, when you import raster based images, they become objects here, and you cannot, for example, if we have a background here, separate the background from the ball. So right now this ball is an object, just like, for example, this circle here is an object in Inkscape. Let's delete that. Now this shadow that I'll show you is very simple, but also it will be very difficult to create in GIMP, for example, and here is very easy. Just grab the create circles, ellipses and arcs tool, create something like this, then go here and select this radial gradient and then just blur it, something like this. Then grab the select and transform tool and move it over here, and let's close this and move the shadow behind the ball like this. And now of course I can resize it in any way I want until I like how the shadow looks. Maybe a little bit more like this. Put it over here, and you see how quickly and easily we created this shadow here in Inkscape. A very easy way to create soft shadows, and of course you can go back here and, let's say, blur it a little bit more if you like, reduce the opacity, do anything you want. Also you can edit the gradient if you like. You can of course even change the color to anything you want. So that's it for this tutorial, and if you liked it, please subscribe, leave a comment and like the video. Bye for now.